Local news for Monday the 19th of November. Masterton's outdoor pool facility is getting a $250,000 upgrade to prevent water wastage and increase the pool's lifespan. The majority of the work set to commence in January next year. To ensure the council get the best results, the outdoor pool and adjoining toddlers pool will be closed over the summer period. The outdoor dive pool, indoor pool and lazy river, however, will remain open throughout summer. A group of Kiwi heroes already dedicated to saving lives are about to become even more super when they hit the beaches for this season's National Lifeguard School. Alice Sims will represent the Riversdale Surf Lifesaving Club along with 19 others from around New Zealand from the 7th till the 9th of December at the school in New Plymouth. And in sports, a win and 2 losses from the weekends for the Wairarapa men's cricket team away at the Chapel Cup Series. After a great first-day victory over Nelson, they went down to Hawke's Bay and then Manawatu yesterday by 8 wickets.